Hi, my name is Daniel, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about KeraBiotics before actually buying the product. I also have really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about KeraBiotics supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is KeraBiotics and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, really works. KeraBiotics is a special probiotic mix made to support healthy toenails. This natural formula is carefully crafted to deal with toenail fungus and boost overall foot health. Inspired by the practices of an Amazonian barefoot tribe, KeraBiotics reintroduces helpful bacteria to rebuild the toenail microbiome, creating a shield against fungal infections. What makes KeraBiotics effective is its scientific approach, combining nature's wisdom with traditional practices. By adding good bacteria, this solution aims to not only fight toenail fungus but also enhance foot health and appearance. Users are advised to include KeraBiotics in their daily foot care routine, following simple instructions for the best results. The product has received positive reviews, with real success stories confirming its impact on toenail health and overall well-being. For best results, the recommended is the purchase of at least 3 bottles. My personal recommendation is the purchase of 6 bottles, which comes with a big discount. Do not lose more money with expensive products that do not give any results. Make a test with KeraBiotics and see the fastest and easiest results of your life. Remember that buying on the official website below, you will have 60 days to use KeraBiotics 100% safely, without risks. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and if you still have questions, the best place to understand more about is on the official page. Click the link below.